Acroply is excited to work with partners who care about their customers and really want their customers to succeed. We want to help support them in their business growth and help them to achieve applications that they previously thought weren't possible.
Viking Plastic Packaging is a 56-year-old packaging distribution company. Our focus as a company is to gain and earn long-term relationships with our customers. As a distributor, we're able to go and pick and choose the vendors that best fit. And sometimes it's multiple vendors, multiple types of equipment to solve one solution. Behrens Manufacturing is a company that manufactures galvanized pails and buckets. They needed to solve and improve upon their accuracy on the placement of the label. They put very large labels there, very difficult to do by hand. These aren't just flats, perfectly round containers. They actually have some bevel to the sides. The labels themselves are arced to accommodate that. They wanted it to be towards the top of the bucket, and the buckets are going to come in upside down. So there are some challenges. It wasn't just off-the-shelf equipment that was going to get this done.
We took a look at it, and it was just a simple solution for us. It was not unlike something we'd done in the past. We tend to have a product offering that deals with these fine-tuned, complex labeling projects. It makes it easy for our engineers to target opportunities like this.
Acroply truly acted as a partner to Viking. Sharing of information, sharing of concerns, and sharing of solutions to make it a success. Behrens got the equipment in, they put it up in the position that we had laid out prior, plugged it in and turned it on, and it worked. You know, we sell a lot of equipment, and that doesn't happen all the time. That's a testament to the accuracy and the quality of work done by Acroply, but it also is a result of the communication. Behrens experienced an improvement in efficiencies overall because the person that was normally standing putting on labels by hand was now able to go improve the efficiency of other lines and in other applications within the cell. From a marketing perspective, the labels were spot on every single time, and it resulted in more applications that they'd like us to take a look at.
I'm very excited about Viking being successful in this project because I know we're going to work on many more projects together, and I know that we've proven that we can be a valuable partner to them as well.
Acroply is going to help us grow, I think, by taking the labeling concept to a different level. Applications that we've shied away from perhaps in the past, we now can embrace and pursue. As a company, we're always striving to do that anyway, to get into more state-of-the-art, broader range of capabilities. And we look at Acroply as a company that's going to help us do that.